Hi, I'm Davidinglis with Silver Seas Yachts. I'm here in sunny San Diego where we just opened up boating yesterday. And I've been locked down in my house for about 50 days now with the kids. And I am extremely excited to get out and be on the boat today. It's a really beautiful day. I'm right now on a 2020 Cruisers 42 Cantius. This is one of their newer models. Came out last year in 2019, been very popular so far. It has replaced the 45 Cantius. There's also a new 46 Cantius, so between the 46 and the 42, they've got all their bases covered. This 42 is an exceptionally big 42-foot boat. If I can show you anything, this boat or any others that we have a lot of inventory, so we're in a good position to help you get out and be on the water, which I can't imagine there's anything better to be doing right now. Let's have a look at this Cruisers 42. Stepping upon this super wide hydraulic high-low swim platform that does have chocks for a dinghy, you'll see these new integrated steps. These are actually on a track, and as the platform lowers down underneath the water, these create a seamless set of stairs that you can walk right down into the water and get on and off your dinghy, or just play down in the water wherever you feel like you want to set this, either just above the water, at the water, or below the water. These steps are really nice, so you don't have that gap to hop over in between the hull and the platform here. We have some great features. Right in the middle is that outdoor barbecue, and below a pull-out drawer fridge. So really great for just being able to stay here on the back of the boat, in touch with the water, not have to go anywhere, cooking, drinking. Big storage lockers on either side with a wired remote for the hydraulic swim platform. The boat also comes with a wireless remote. You see cup holders everywhere on the Cruisers. Cruisers has great cup holders. I know it seems crazy, but that's really important. It's beautiful white and gray trimmed vinyl seating that goes all the way around. I did leave the covers on over here because they're actually really nice covers. These come from Cruisers Yachts, and they have this great felt inside so that it protects your vinyl. And Cruisers has been doing a really great job. They're really stepping up their game and getting higher and higher quality. Above me is this Make Fast shade, which is really great. It's quiet. It comes out. This is about sticking up 4 or 5 feet out, and ample shade for this cockpit here, and it goes away silently as well with a push of a button right over here. Very cool there. Great side decks with handrails up top, all Garmin electronics, high definition radar. And these doors here, both these doors can release and stack up over here on the port side of the boat. So you have this whole side open where you can see in here is this beautiful finished settee, table with settee. And so that is kind of a seamless transition right out into your cockpit. Ice maker below here. Boat has underwater lights, courtesy lights, blue lights, really beautiful lighting. As we come inside, we have a Polk audio system, storage, and to the port side we have the galley. So the galley's aft, keeping you in touch with the indoor-outdoor flow. Fridge, convection oven. There's a 2-burner cooktop recessed below here, and a large circular stainless steel sink here. This TV does unlatch and articulates either forward or aft to be viewed from anywhere in the boat. I've got the sunroof open, as you can see. This beautiful lounge to port becomes your sunning area, or you can close that up, obviously. And this 2-seat helm, really beautiful. Cruisers does all their own soft goods, all their own stitching. They do a really great job. Joystick controls, joystick docking, joystick driving, We put DPS, dynamic positioning system, in all of our builds, so the boat will just hold spot. If you want to just pull right out there off your dock, stop the boat right there, put your fenders away or put them out, and then go right into your dock. It's a really great tool for that. I like these opening windows here on either side of the helm. So you can communicate and look at the dock when you're docking. Here we have our Garmin glass cockpit. These are fully integrated with your Volvo D6 IPS 600 horsepower engines. So you have all your telemetry, talking to your engines here, all of your navigation. You can plug and play anything. If you want to do an infrared camera, night vision, if you want to do cameras in the engine room, you can do all of that. Just great helm layout, really good spot, very easy to hold the joystick and manipulate the joystick, very easy throttles, and everything's super simple. And great style. I love this wheel. It's gorgeous. As we go below here, we've got 3 steps down. We'll walk forward to the VIP guest stateroom. It could totally be used as your master if you'd like to be up forward. But you'll see this boat actually has a great master. It is a bit of a surprise to most people in a 42-foot boat. I'm going to save that for last. Nice hanging locker, Samsung TV, heat and air in every cabin. Another hanging locker, 2 hanging lockers in this forward stateroom. And your ensuite. This is actually private. This is a private head to this forward cabin. You have a separate shower stall with an integrated bench. I'd love to have a bench in my shower. It's kind of a must for me. Dometic quiet flush heads and beautiful pointed stainless steel hardware. And you have that port light in there too. Let some natural air come through, let the steam out. That's a great build feature. And now, coming back out, you'll see the shared date head over here on starboard. Kind of a long entry, but then it opens up on the inside. And again, another full separate shower stall with a bench and an airtight locking port light for light. Now this is shared with the aft cabin, as you can see from the door here. I'm back out in the hallway now. Now I enter into this space. It looks very odd entering in, but I think you'll see it's very deceiving, as immediately it opens right up. The floor drops down a step, and you have this amazing couch on starboard. And then check out the size of this cabin once you're down here. Again, this is a 42-foot boat you're in. She's 43 foot 2 inches overall. So look at the light up there. So really a full beam master with opening port lights on both sides. There's another Samsung TV that articulates out and lowers down so you can watch it from bed. Opening port lights to starboard. Hanging lockers. Now this is low. This is about, say a little over 4 feet right there, maybe 4.5 feet. So I am ducked down to get out, but then I stand up here. Behind here, you'll actually see your whole electronics panel. 240, 120 volt, all on one side, and your whole 12 volt system on the other side. All well labeled. Very simple. Got a hanging locker behind me and the entrance to the shared day head after that. More storage. Nice floors. These are vinyl floor. They look great. They're strong. Very nice boat. We'll head to the bow where there's more usable space. Again, great handhold, full length, full handhold all the way up here to the bow. And then actually the rail by my leg actually gets higher right there where that rail stops on my right. My left leg gets higher. Oh, I didn't pull these covers off, so my apologies. These are very nice, just like the same vinyl as in the back of the boat. These all sit up. There's a table in the middle that pops up with a beautiful teak finished table in the middle. with cup holders and two lounges that sit up, and actually stored underneath the lounges. And then what goes into these stainless steel holders are the stanchions for the sun awning. So it comes with a full set of stanchions, 4 stainless steel stanchions, and the sun awning to hang out up here, have a little bit of sun protection. So I can get you a side hull shot. This boat's a beautiful gray hull, and you can walk around both sides. Got recessed, big anchor locker, anchor going through the hull mold, underhung from the bow. So no attachments up here to rip free or anything. Also makes the boat shorter and helps you fit into slips better. So great tackle up there. Notice obviously the wash down there as well. I noticed, as promised, the Cruisers Yachts 42 Cantius engine room. If this doesn't make you call, I don't know what will. Again, a 43, not under 43 and a half foot boat. And just look at the engine room. Check out the bonding system. Check out the labeling. Just check out how clean everything already comes from the factory. Check out that collection box to port, collecting all the runoff from your cockpit drains. Insulated port fuel tank. Your Volvo Penta IPS 600 pod drive engines. Onan generator. Everything done. I mean, really, really well. This is an affordable production boat. And it is just astounding the way everything is engineered. So again, I'm Dave Inglis down here in San Diego. We've got stores, 2 stores in Newport Beach, a store up in San Francisco, up there in Sausalito. We're in Seattle. We're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and our newest store slash boaters lounge in Avalon, Catalina. Hopefully that opens up there soon, and we'll see you out in the water.